we also have one more thing. If you are getting frustrated, just remember that मंजिल को पाने के लिए कुछ रास्ते चलना पड़ता है, मंजिल को पाने के लिए कुछ रास्ते चलना पड़ता है। अरे हुजूर, हमें तो गुठलियों के साथ, आम के साथ गुठलियाँ भी खाना पड़ता है। It was not good. And if you see to this method, this is of type optional, which is a Java container object which may or may not contain a null value. So that's why we are just using it for some purpose, and we are annotating it with same get mapping. Just we have another thing like our API was like this. Now our API will be different. Like after list you will be saying slash, and in curly braces you will be saying ID. This method is also got changed, like our change in name, that is get student by ID. We are also using a path variable. Path variable for what? I just tell you that path variable, so that as we are calling the values using ID, a particular ID, so that's why we have to give a path to our method, so that it will get that we are calling a particular variable, a particular value using this. So for path variable, if you see annotation which indicates that a method parameter should be bound to a URI, that is universal resource indicator template variable. It is indicating that we are calling a particular row using this value, that is ID, and we are using a particular variable that is of type log, that is ID, and we will be returning student service.find by ID method in this. Okay, if you see to this find by ID method, it will go to our same student service class, and in student service class you will see we have the method that is save, and it will return the student repo dot find by ID method. Find by ID method is being created.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो, अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो।
Repository, as this repository extends our JPA repository, which is an inbuilt Spring repository which have inbuilt methods for crew operations. Right? So that's why I will just save this, and we will check our Spring application has been working on it. Let's check for this method. So I will come to Postman. As you know, we have only two rows only. So I will come here, and let's get for another thing. I will copy this and I will paste it here, and here I will call the ID 2. As we have ID 2, I will send this request, and on sending request I've got the particular row values. Okay, our email ID is being done, right? It's not being saved, or it's not being added in our database, that's why. But our data present at ID 2 is being given, like you will see name ABC state Maharashtra, name ABC state Maharashtra, then district Nagpur, contact details and address Nagpur, name ABC, address Nagpur, contact details district Nagpur. Okay, so this is how you can fetch a particular row data from MySQL into Spring. This is how our two APIs are being created or developed in our project Spring. In the coming days, we will be watching delete mapping also, delete query also, and update query also. We will be creating some more things. For more videos, just subscribe on my channel, Let's Code Up, and we will be watching much more. And we will also be upgrading in Python and other things also. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more.